My name's Maria. I live in a 160-year-old house with my husband and two kids. We moved here from New York about 5 years ago. When we first moved in, we had these creamy yellow walls that looked kind of dated, and we decided to freshen it up and ended up painting the whole place white. We have a lot of art. We really wanted our art to sort of shine, and we have a lot of pieces that are quite colorful, so we thought we'd go with white. We'd done it before in apartments that we'd rented, so it wasn't like a super risky decision, I think, for us. And I think it really paid off because it just like multiplies the light. It just always feels so bright and airy in here. Even sometimes when the day isn't the nicest, it still feels really nice in here. And definitely it's paid off in terms of the art because like it really pops off the walls, and that makes me really happy. The paint that we used actually has a little bit of yellow in it. It's not as harsh, I think, but the trim is like a full-on pure white. The trim and the wall, it's matte. We didn't want a glossy finish. We didn't want it to look super shiny. Again, also because we knew we were gonna hang a lot of art on our walls, and so we kind of wanted that to sort of be the priority. And I think we just thought it worked better with the style of the building because it's an older house, and even though the interiors have been hollowed out in the like late 70s, so a lot of the interior isn't like period, but we kind of thought that the matte finish was more in keeping with the style of the building. I don't know. If you're thinking about painting your house white, I think definitely it helps to like read up on it a little bit or have someone give you some advice, because you think it's white, how hard can that be? But actually there are so many different tones of white that you can go with, and it truly impacts the feel of the room depending on how much light you get during the day, how many windows you actually have. And so I think it helped us have people who knew what they were doing give us advice. We've always been white room kind of people. I think it's just because we had a lot of prints and art, and it's just easier that way. You don't struggle with matching things or having like the paint on your walls overshadow your art. It's just like we can let the pieces shine.